What's up, guys? So today we're going to be showing you how the key operates. Obviously you have turn it back, we'll turn on your radio and all your accessories. One click forward here right before we start. Obviously one more turn will start the Jeep, but then to get your key out, as you can see, it is locked. And I noticed I let a buddy of mine drive and he couldn't get the key out. This little button back here, you have to push and then turn the key out, then you can get the key out. So it's kind of like a key lock, which is kind of interesting. A lot of the cars in the 90s and 2000s, early 2000s had this. So just push that button in. So I'm trying to show you better here. Push the button in, turn, pull out. Very simple. Another thing I want to show you too is to lock your steering wheel. So as you can see, I got it upside down right now, but so right now it's completely, loose. So come to a stop, park your car, take your key out. Once you take your key out, just turn the wheel until you hear it click. And then now the steering wheel is locked. So if anyone does happen to get in and, put it in neutral or whatever, the wheels are locked at whatever angle you want. So you can kind of, I guess it's kind of another security way that it'd make it harder to, take the Jeep. And then just to get it to unlock, if you can't turn your key, like it's locked, try turning the wheel, then turning the key. Sometimes the steering wheel lock gets a little goofy, but now as you can see here, we're fully unlocked now. So that's kind of a thing you can do, is if you want to lock your steering wheel, just turn it. You'll hear a click, and then once it's locked, you're good to go. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little quick tip video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.